Well, this is not a brand new device that I need to start from scratch about what is a Zener diode. It is a device very similar to diode. We have studied two breakdown mechanisms, avalanche and Zener breakdown. Avalanche breakdown is mostly destructive, but we sometimes dope the semiconductor with high density of dopants such that Zener breakdown occur at low voltages and don't cause damage to the junction. Such specialized diodes which are operated with reverse biasing are called Zener diodes. However, if a Zener diode is forward biased, then it is going to react as a normal diode. The symbol for a simple diode is, and the symbol for a Zener diode is this. If we talk about voltage current characteristics graph for a Zener diode, then there is no difference with the graph of normal diode. A normal diode is operated with forward bias voltage, whereas a Zener diode is operated with reverse bias voltage. From the graph, you can observe when Zener breakdown takes place, then even if the current increases several times, even then the voltage remains approximately the same. Therefore, Zener diodes are used as voltage regulators. In the current scenario, Zener diodes are manufactured predominantly with silicon. This topic is for mere formality in electronic devices and circuits, as the tricky questions from this topic are usually framed in analog electronics.